Hello, my name is Danielle Jackson, and today I'll be going over my leadership portfolio. So, chapter one, I connected with, and it's the nature and importance of leadership. So, I actually scored a 98 in this section, which I thought was really great, not really knowing anything about leadership or anything like that. And so I felt that because I scored so high, I was an effective leader. But little did I know there was a lot of factors that go into that, which is, knowing that leadership and management are indeed different, and also that I need to build relationships with my group members. So the next chapter is chapter four, which is leadership behaviors, attitudes, and styles. So I didn't do the best on this section. I actually got a 59, which was kind of close to what my other classmates were getting as well. But I was told that I have average tendencies towards being an entrepreneurial personality, which I found very strange because typically I'm to myself. In fact, I'm studying to be an accountant right now. And so I thought, I'm typically the type to just follow under somebody, not really be that leader. But this course has really helped me learn what I need to do differently. So in this situation, what I would do differently is first learning what kind of leader I am, also working on building relationships with my other group members and avoiding those risks, but maybe trusting people more. So the next chapter I related to is chapter 9, which is developing teamwork, which also follows into what I was saying previously about trusting others more. Typically, I haven't really recognized other people for their accomplishments that have contributed to our group work, and I learned that that is something I need to do differently. In fact, this section I scored a 44, so it shows me that I really do have things to work on. That includes possibly getting involved in some training programs or mentorship of other group members. And chapter 13, I also related to, which is strategic leadership and knowledge management. This section I actually really struggled with. I got a 39. So I knew what I need to work on the most is strategy execution. So I don't typically figure out what the strategy is, which gives me problems when trying to execute the strategy. So also I need to work on my knowledge management. I haven't really dabbled into that, but I plan on working on that as well. So in reference to my classmates and other colleagues, I scored typically kind of the same as them. And so this means that I have an average attitude towards sharing knowledge that I do have, which is true when I look at it on the perspective. Before the survey, I wasn't really thinking about it like that, but now that I see my score and the question, how I answer the questions, it helps me understand that this is who I am and this is part of my leadership style. So lastly, chapter 14, international and culturally diverse aspects of leadership. I actually didn't score that well in this section either. I got a 38, which is very, very low. So this means I need to work on my cultural sensitivity and maybe being involved in minority programs and mentorship here as well. Also, I need to look into the cultural values, such as assertiveness and things of that nature. So over time, I have learned to implement all of these as well as key factors from all other chapters into what kind of leader I am today. So thank you.